Have you ever wanted to create a YouTube channel but you don't feel comfortable showing your face? Or maybe you don't just have the time to record yourself on camera? What if I told you that you could create a professional and engaging YouTube channel using a talking avatar that moves its hands and speaks in different languages?
你是否曾想过开设一个 YouTube 频道，但又不想露面？
Welcome to my mum's kitchen. Today, I'll be trying to cook jollof rice for the first time. I've always loved eating it, but now it's time to learn how to make it myself.
No matter how slow you go, as long as you keep moving forward, you are still ahead of those who never started.
Yes, you don't need to be on the camera, and you can still grow your channel, get views and make money, all without showing your face. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a realistic AI avatar that gestures naturally and speaks in different languages. Whether you want to create educational content, motivational videos, or even run an entire faceless YouTube business, this method will make you stand out. So if you are ready to take your faceless YouTube channel to the next level, then you need to watch this video to the end. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself in case you're seeing my face for the first time. My name is DoliveB. Here I share videos on side hustles and smart ways to make money on the internet. If this interests you, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out of any of my videos. Without any further ado, let's dive in. Now, to create a talking avatar with hand movements and in different languages, the first step is to head over to this website, leonardo.ai. Alright, and then you click on launch app. You see something like this, you'll be asked to sign up or log in. I'll prefer to go with Google, and I'll choose any of the accounts, any of my emails here. Then this is what I will see after signing up. Now, Leonardo.ai gives you 150 credits every single day. So I have my 150 credit for today. If I exhaust this now, by tomorrow, it will give me another 150 credits or token. Now, I'm going to click on image generation. Then under this image generation, you can either use the cinematic, or you use the flux dev. All right, I'll prefer to use this flux dev because it's usually realistic. Now I'm going to, under this prompt enhance, I'll just leave the settings as it is. Then this image generation, I'll make sure it's on 16:9. Then I leave it on medium. Then number of images, I'll put it at 4. So you can choose 1, 2, 3, 4, but I always prefer to use 4 so that I can choose the best from the 4 it gives me per generation. For the image dimension, 16:9 is for YouTube long form videos. If you want to generate images for maybe you want to create TikTok videos, Reels, YouTube Shorts, just click on this more and choose TikTok 9:16. This can be used to create YouTube short videos, Reels, or TikTok videos. I'll be going with 16:9 for this because I'm creating a YouTube long form video. Now I'm going to close this, and under this type a prompt, I'll put in the prompt. Rather than cracking your brain to write the prompt, just go to ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT will give you a prompt. Kindly give me a prompt to generate an image of a beautiful Nigerian girl putting on an apron in her mom's kitchen trying to prepare a dish. She will be facing the camera to inform her viewers what she is about to do. Now click on this. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us a prompt. You just go ahead and copy this prompt and go back to Leonardo.ai and paste it. You can write your prompts based on the type of image you want this platform to generate for you. Now, this is another prompt I would like to generate image for. A realistic image of a young Nigerian lady with dark skin wearing a stylish pink hoodie with the name DoliveB inscribed on it. She's seated on a black, all that, and I'm just going to click on generate. So you can find the prompt. I'll put the prompts that I used in the description box just in case you want to model it. Okay, now I'm going to wait for this. I'm going to download this one. So if at any point in time you feel your image is not clear enough, you could actually click on upscale, but this will require that you unlock with premium. You need to pay to access the premium, some of the premium features. So for this one now, it's $10 per month. So if you like, you can go ahead and do that. So I'll just go ahead and download this image without upscaling. I'll save it here. DoliveB. The next step is for us to generate our audio, and you can do this in 2 ways. You can use AI generated audio or you record your voice. So to generate an AI audio, just go to this website, tthsfree.com, scroll down, and then type in the script. Now I'm going to paste my script here. It's just a short script. Then I come over to this side where I have language. All right, and I change it to English Nigeria. I'm using this one. This is a male, while Ezine is a female voice. I'm using this male voice for this. Then I'm just going to click on convert now. I click on convert now, and you can see here it has generated the voice for me. Now I'm going to click on download here and save it on my computer. To make your avatar speak in other languages on the TTS platform, just scroll down to this part where you have language and change it to the language you want your avatar to speak in. Let's say I want it to speak in Chinese. I choose this Chinese and then I choose a model here. For me to get my script in Chinese, I will head over to ChatGPT and I have this here already. This is the lines I want my avatar to say in Chinese. So I told ChatGPT to convert it to Chinese. And this is what it gave me. Now I'm going to just copy this and go back to TTS and I'll paste it here. So just go ahead and paste your script here in the language you want your avatar to say. And then I scroll down and here I click on convert. So you're going to wait for it to convert to do the process. And here it is. Then I'll click on this download here so I can save it on my computer. Okay, so now if you want to use your own voice, just head over to this website. I'll put all the links to the website I'm using in this video in the description box below, so it'll be easier for you to click. Now I'm just going to go ahead and read my script. I'm going to tap on this red button to start recording. Imagine bringing your digital character to life, making them talk, gesture, and express emotions just like a real person. So I've recorded this and I'm going to just tap. I can just cut the parts that are not necessary. You can see the parts that I talked here showing in green. Then I go ahead and save. The next step is for us to convert our image to video. So we're going to head over to this site, this website, luoai.video, and then you click on create. Now image to video is what we have here, and that is what we are doing. So I'm going to tap on this to upload the image I want to use. I'm using this particular image. So after it uploads, I'll come to this side and give it the camera movement I want it to have. I'll just say she's moving her hands, smiling and talking. Under the model, we're going to leave it as this I2V director. So we'll just leave it as that, and then we'll click on generate. This website gave me over 1,000 free credits. I have about 980 credits left because I did some image generation. Now it's saying you should wait for like 32 minutes, because I am not a member. So it's asking me to wait for 32 minutes. So if I subscribe, I'll be able to get my result in 5 minutes. So I'll need to wait. Now, as you can see, it has generated our video for us from the image we uploaded. Now I'm going to right click on this and download to save on my system. Now the final step is to make our video say what we want it to say. Head over to this website, just type dream face on Google. You'll be directed here. Go to AI tools and click on photo lip sync. Then generate avatar video. Now click on photo and video to choose your avatar. Now choose the video that you created. I'll choose this one that I created a moment ago. And I'll wait for a few seconds for it to upload it. So you close it here and you will see that it has uploaded here. Now you come to this side and paste the text you want the avatar to say, or you upload the audio. In my own case, I'm going to upload the audio. Remember we created audios earlier. Now I'll click on upload. So either you upload AI audio created or you upload the one you record. I recorded my voice and I'm going to upload that. So I'm going to scroll down a bit and I'll tap generate. We're going to wait for a few seconds for it to generate our video. It's generating at the moment. Wait for a few seconds.
A few moments later.
As you can see, it has generated that, and you can just go ahead and download. This is actually watermark because we are using the free version. So if you don't want to have the watermark showing on your video, then you may need to pay for it. You may need to pay a subscription fee. We have the pro version, like this. You can do weekly. Now, this strategy can be used for your faceless content creation, whether it's on TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or even YouTube long form videos. Imagine bringing your digital character to life, making them talk, gesture, and express emotions just like a real person. By now, you should be able to create yours. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video.